Hi, Dr. Roll. Um, I'm doing your little mini video right now to make sure I know how to do this. I'm currently in the library studying for the biochem exam that I have on Thursday morning, because that is the most important thing to be doing right now. Um, yeah, I probably should make this at least a minute long. I don't know if YouTube will allow me to upload something that is less than a minute, but I don't know what else to say. Um, it just snowed a lot, which is it's November 17th, so I think New York is doing better than it usually is. Um, yeah, I hope you have a wonderful break because it is much needed. Alright, I'm gonna try to upload this to YouTube. Bye! See you later tonight.